walk through your door, I feel just like myself, like I don't need to be somebody else. And I get the feeling that you miss me. You know I missed you too. It's so nice to come home to you. And heaven knows I've been gone for too long. I'm back home. I'm back home. I'm back home. In the house of God. For so long I thought I wasn't good enough. I wasn't good enough to be your daughter. And I got the feeling that it didn't belong. But now I know that was wrong. It's so nice to belong to you. And heaven knows I've been gone for too long. I'm back.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her. You're everything I want, but I can't deal with all your lovers. You're saying I'm the one, but it's your actions that speak louder.